Hello everyone. Miracle always has to stop here and smell this log. This tree was taken down by a tornado 4 years ago. And usually he likes to walk on the log. Let's see. Now I know why he's interested in it. It's because I've seen the raccoon walking across it, so he smells the raccoon. Oh, where's he going? Okay. Let's see where Miracle takes us today. And he's not getting on the log. Hey, Miracle. There we go. He's on it. Yeah. I don't want to get it too far down this log because it gets so thick I can't get out there. Why are we growling, Miracle? Do you smell the raccoon? You do not like the raccoons. Okay. There's a lot of bird song in the woods today. It doesn't seem as though there's as many coming to the feeder, but I hear a lot of them in the woods. We've been watching them for about 40 minutes. Then I decided it's time for a walk. Here he comes back. There's Miracle. We're going back this way. It's very interesting, isn't it, Miracle? Yeah. Very interesting. Okay, you've done that. Let's go walking. Let's walk, Miracle. Okay, so he knows what that means. He's so smart. So smart. And it's time to break our clothes. There we go. Let's head to the woods, Miracle. Oh, he says no. Once you get out here, you're going to have a good time. I'm twisted up. There we go. There we go. Some video from his level. He's smelling something that's got him a little agitated today. I know a lot of people like to do the crunchy leaves. What's wrong, Miracle? Now this is not the bench. It's another bench. Okay, he's just not in a good mood today. We have two benches. This one's close to the field, and the other one's deeper into the woods. I don't know if he's going to make it that far today. He's in a bad mood.